So baby girl decided to change up her routine hairstyle and she wants to do a wash and go. So we are going to go ahead and start with the Coconut Hibiscus Leave-In Cream. I just get a little bit, rub that in my hands, and I make sure to work that through her hair. Her hair is pretty detangled already just because it's wash day, and I try to make it as easy as possible because usually we go out, we go swimming, and then we quickly get into the baths, and I have to wash both girls' hair. If you've seen my other videos, then you know that my oldest has a lot of hair. I also have a lot of hair as well, so that's 3 heads in one day. It's a whole lot of fun, but the best way that I can make it as easy as possible is to detangle literally anytime that I can. So I went ahead and I added in the leave-in cream. I worked it through, and then I'm going to go ahead and detangle her hair again. This time I am using the Lotta Body Coconut and Shea Oils Mousse. I've used this a couple of times and I like to also use it with the Mousse gel. Now I don't do a whole lot of wash and goes on her hair. I don't test a lot of different products on her hair just because once I find something that works, I tend to stick with it. The Coconut Hibiscus Leave-In Cream actually works really well for her curls. This time I just wanted to try to add in a little bit more moisture, but then also add in some more hold. So I am trying out this mousse just to see how well it works for us. Once I've done one section of her hair, I'm going to section off another piece of hair and I'm going to detangle again. And then once I feel like it's detangled enough, I go ahead and add more mousse and then I work that through her hair. I just do a combing motion, and here I actually kept getting my fingers caught on her hair, so that just means to me that I need to detangle a little bit more. So I went ahead and detangled, and I haven't tested it with her hair yet, but I do notice it with my hair and my oldest's hair. If I just use the brush to style our hair, it tends to get frizzy, so I always just detangle with the detangling brush, and then I use my hands to style the hair just because I feel like it creates less frizz. I'm going to do that all the way around her head until I am finished. This hairstyle did last for about 2 days. Again, she's a toddler and she loves to move. She's got lovely, lovely curls. Her hair is still wet. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.